Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today's dish is a Mediterranean dish that they cook in Greece, in Cyprus, and in Egypt. It's pasticcio in Greek or Macarona Bechamel in Arabic. I'm going to show you the Egyptian version today. The difference between the Egyptian version and the Greek version is the tomato sauce. They use the tomato sauce in Greece, but in Egypt we prefer to make it without tomato sauce. Also, one spice that they add in the Greek version that we don't use in Egypt, it's the cinnamon. So let's start. So my ingredients are ziti pasta. I have here this bag, which is 450 grams or 16 ounces of Italian ziti pasta. Here it is. We usually use penne, but after I tried this one, I really liked it. So I decided to use ziti today. Then we have the ground beef. We have 1 medium onion, salt and pepper for taste. Then we have the bechamel sauce ingredients. I have 4 cups of milk. I have 2 eggs. I have 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and I have 5 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to use nutmeg, which I will use only half a teaspoon of nutmeg. So I will start by boiling the pasta for 10 minutes. I added to the water 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I have a cast iron skillet here, and I'm using some olive oil to fry the onions. I just put the olive oil. Now I will put my onions. It's 1 medium onion. As soon as it turned yellow, I'm going to add my meat. Now it's ready. I'm just going to cover it and leave it while we are making the bechamel. I'm going to start by melting the butter. I'm going to add my flour now, and I will start mixing. It has to be on medium heat so that it doesn't burn. As soon as it gets this color, just dissolve with the butter. We are going to turn off the stove and add the milk. The milk has to be cold or at least room temperature. So you can't put the milk all at once. You just have to put it slowly. When it gets thick, you add more. So I'm going to use the whisk here to mix them together so that I make sure that the flour is dissolved in the milk. And then I'm going to turn on the stove again. Now, as you see, it's all dissolved. So I'm going to turn on the stove again on medium heat. And I will start mixing with the whisk. I will add slowly more milk. So when you feel that it gets thick, you start adding milk. Then when you feel that it gets thick again, you start adding more. This recipe is a time-consuming recipe. So it takes time to do every step because there are 3 steps involved. Boiling the pasta, making the bechamel, preparing the ground beef. So it takes time, but then it's an amazing dish for parties, for special occasions. So we can say we do this occasionally, just like the stuffed vine leaves. Now it's ready. I kept mixing. You can't really leave it. I put it on low now, and it's thick the way I want it. And now I will add some salt, some pepper, and then a half teaspoon of nutmeg. I will mix again. And then I will do the last step, which is adding my eggs, my whisked 2 eggs, mixing quickly because you don't want to cook the egg, and turning off the stove. So that's the bechamel. Now it's ready. My Pyrex is ready. I just melted 1 tablespoon of butter and I'm going to spread it in my Pyrex. I have here 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add it to my bechamel and I will mix. I will show you what I will do. I will show you a trick. So I'm going to add some of the bechamel to my pasta. I drained the pasta in this pot. I will add like 3 big deep spoons of bechamel. You want the bechamel to go everywhere. You don't want to make just a layer of pasta and then meat and then the bechamel. I like my pasta to be also filled with bechamel. Now the pasta is ready. I'm going to put layer of pasta here. I will divide it by 2. I will put the first layer. I just eyeball it. Then I'm going to add my meat now. Now it's ready, and I will go with the second layer of pasta. Now I will go with the bechamel on the top. Now my Pyrex is ready. My oven was preheated on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's ready to go to the oven for 45 minutes or until it's golden brown from the top. My Macarona Bechamel is now ready. It took 50 minutes for the top to get like golden, as you see. I hope that you all like it, and I hope that you can try it. And another time, I'm going to do the Greek version, which is a pasticcio. And thank you so much for watching my episode today. And see you next time.